Have you ever wondered when is the right time to sell your business or start to put your exit strategy into place? Hi, I'm Lisa Larder and welcome to this week's edition of Shop Talk. This week's topic is a juicy one. When do you know it's time to move on and sell that business of yours? I gotta tell you, it's not an easy decision to make. And I've sold 2 of my businesses in my life so far, and I learned a lot from both situations. The first business that I sold was my gift basket business, and I waited too long to sell that business because I didn't start out with an exit strategy in place. That's an important thing that I just said. I didn't start out with an exit strategy in place. I started out trying to figure out, could I build a business? Could I actually do something, make money, and was I capable? Did I have the chops? And I did. But then what happened is I got distracted by my next business. And my basket business, which had been doing really, really well, started to go like this, because I was not giving it the attention that it needed in order to flourish. My second business, I had done this, and then I started consulting, and I knew I was not going to repeat the same mistake. I knew, and when I started that business, I knew that at some point I wanted to build something that I could sell. So when I started to do this thing on the side for my consulting business, I was very aware that I needed to exit the business before there was no business left to exit. So don't wait until your business is not worth anything. The number one thing you want to do when it comes to selling your business is figure out when is the peak value of your business. That's when you're going to get the greatest valuation. That's when you're going to get the greatest amount of money from somebody who wants to actually buy what you've built and continue to build momentum. But what happens is when people start their business and they get to a certain level and then they've kind of lost their passion, their juice, their interest, the business goes like this. Whereas if you think about like running a relay, if you just pass the baton when you're right here, when your business is doing really well, but you're not quite that into it anymore, then you can walk away with a nest egg and somebody else who is jazzed about the business can take it on to the finish line. So my advice is begin with the outcome that you're looking for in mind. Think about the exit strategy, timing, etc. when you're building, not as an afterthought, and never wait until your business valuation has declined so much that it's not an optimum time to sell. Get out when the going is good. Have you sold a business before? What did you learn from that experience? I'd love to hear it from you. There's tons of lessons out there from people who've bought and sold businesses. I'm sure you have something that you could share with us too. Thanks for watching this week's edition of Shop Talk, and I'll see you again next week.